everyone, I'm Pallavi Iyengar. Let's make a delicious and rich fruit trifle. So come, let's get started. So now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start making the custard. And I'm making the custard with eggs. So for that we're going to separate the egg yolks. The egg yolks, the second egg yolk. Now the third egg, I'm going to add the whole egg because we got the egg yolks for the luscious mouthfeel, and now the third egg for more body. So now that we got the eggs here, we're going to beat it. Now we're going to add some corn flour and also some refined flour. And now we whisk this till the mixture is smooth and lump free. To this, let's add some castor sugar and some cream. And now let's mix this. So it's looking very nice already. Now all we have to do is cook this custard. So for that, I'm going to place it on very low heat and we have to constantly keep stirring it. So as you can see, the mixture has started to thicken and our custard is almost done. It's nice and thick, but don't worry, it's going to become thicker once it cools down. So as you can see, there are some lumps. Now to get rid of the lumps, all you have to do is strain the mixture. To get rid of the slight eggy smell that comes in, I'm going to add some vanilla essence. And you mix this. Looking nice and smooth. So now we have to let it cool down completely. So I'm going to refrigerate it for about like an hour or two or till it's cooled completely. So the custard has cooled down completely. So our custard layer is done. Now let's get to the other layer. So I have a sponge here, vanilla sponge, which we're going to cut it into small pieces because we are making individual fruit trifles. It's a fruit trifle, so let's start chopping some fruits. I also have some nice strawberries. And we also have some blueberries, which we can just halve. And lastly, we're going to chop some apple. And now let's start layering the trifle. We're going to start putting the sponge pieces. And now to this, we're going to add the sugar syrup. And now we add a nice layer of custard. Now we slowly start adding the fruits. Press the fruit slightly so that you have more space. Now let's add some of the jelly pieces. We got some whipped cream. Finally, we're just going to garnish it with the kiwi slices. So there you have it, a delicious and luscious fruit trifle is ready. So do try out this recipe and trust me, you are going to love it.